One woman wey they call Madam Ifi, they say the woman don't come outside to come blast PM wey be Simon Ekpa. No be small thing o. He say that he talk many things for this video wey I go play you. May see wetin this woman talk o. He say him be the member, no be even member sef. Say him be one of the leader for Autopilot. Now wow, the thing red. Yeah, I'm gonna go look wetin make this woman come outside, come dey cry. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If it's then at the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Kwezioku. Remember say for this channel we dey bring you ogbonge news as e dey hot all corner anywhere where e dey hot. Na there we dey bring you ogbonge news. If you know say you never subscribe or follow this channel, may you quickly do so as e dey hot. May we jump into the matter where we get for hand today. They say one of our sister, whether they call Madam Ifi from Autopilot, don't come outside, come cry. He say that waiting Simon Ekpa they do, e no good. I say many things why I go like me using math talking for this video where I want play you right now. So I'm going to play you the video. He say as instant now, you don't know where instant say until the Carlo is released before anybody go know where it stand. No be small thing. Talk so many things for this video. So however, let's go and watch the video together, and when we come back, we'll continue.
Autopilot, Autopilot, greeting, my people, greeting, dear friends, greetings to you all. I try to make cook, but this is, I think I have to say things here. But after that, let's watch and see. Any lady chukunaka. Simon, but I say that now, Omaha about the meeting. I know I'm going to 1 year old. I read not through 1 year. Because and we buy the say eje my na through 1 year. Simon, but I say that now that meeting no matter about it. I wasn't even the one that organized this meeting. I was not the one. I know I TM on a call. Pastor Livingston, Kelechi and others. TM na call. Madam Ifi, that Hannah set up panels because the complaint is getting out of hand. Because now on one hand, the multiple complaint is getting out of hand everywhere regarding not taking care of our ESM, not looking after them. The complaint is too much, it's overwhelming. We say, you know, say, I'm so bad, not we enter, not your panel. Because now this thing is weighing me down. That I want panel, so that I set up panel. Say, okay. That is a very good idea. You had him when he was defending Azoka. But I let go due to him concerning our people. And see that day, have you realized what I'm saying that is true? Or say, Madam Ifi, please, let's not go there. Forgive me. Because I wasn't informed properly. You guys had when he sized me on this platform. You guys had it. They're not Simba. Let us do it. I am too emotional this morning because I hate injustice. I hate it. So okay, now Simon Gadia away. Can take a benefit meeting. Has someone had sent go to Simon email that I will make it form. So okay, that is fine. I said, my man didn't get contact those commanders that are complaining. I should contact them so that they can come. Can I hear what is happening? Let us hear from them. And then Simon, can I wonder what is happening? Because this is teamwork. Everybody has to be together to do this for it to work. Tell me what is my offense. Can you I went to that meeting for the sake of let us sort this thing out regarding the ESN. That they're complaining. That is way on me. Oh God. I'm getting this thing is getting out of me. I don't cry, but this thing is just hurting me bad. What have I done? Can you hear me? he said he doesn't know about it, but somebody confirmed because Ogema is here. He confirmed that Simon said he knew about the meeting. He saw the letter. He saw the email they sent to him. Because I asked them, they said yes, they still sent email. Then the email, Simon wasn't there. We thought maybe he's going to come. He didn't come because we don't know how else to send him link for him to come. He didn't even reply the email to them for him to say to them, please send me email. He said link the meeting they bido. The commander is going and cancel 5 million. So then here 5 million. And I have the record. Because then I know how he gave the commander 2.1 million. Even Simon himself confirmed it. One day that phone here, he confirmed it and said, now due to the guy now 2.1 million Kenya. Simon confirmed it. Is it because I didn't record it? Simon confirmed it now to 2.1. Kezi Kahana doesn't know 5 million Kenya, the commander. The commander is here 5 million. Never 5 million Kenya. No 2.1. Say yes, the record is 2.1. Kezi 5 million. So many things is going on. At least I clarify the thing. We tell you the receipt because the commanders not get with a statement. Then they clarify this thing. A mayor inside house. Every little thing Simon because on a platform where believe this time around that I am ready to fight this fight. I am fighting with justice, I am fighting with equity, I am fighting with truth. All this guy against a recorded. He's the one that taught us how to record people. I have all my record, everything recorded. So anyhow they want to play this game, I am ready to play it with them because I have had enough. I want to go too much. That's my name first time. That's my name second time. That's my name third time. What have I done wrong? Do you are the same system? The same Simon is calling for unity. He's calling for Biafra to come and join. Which Biafra is coming to join him? Biafra that will come and join him, the one that is already here with him, the one that is working with him. He will not, he's suspending them. The same thing DS is doing is what he's doing. The same Biafra will come and join him. I will tell Biafra, do not ever come. If you are not the kind of person that I am, that want to know the truth, that stand on the truth, don't come and join Autopilot. They are not worth coming to join. They are not worth coming to join at all. They are not worth coming to join. Don't ever stay where you are. Stay where you are. Don't come and join unless the man's not can come out. Don't join any group. It's all lies. I say as deceit. So why are you calling Biafra to come and join? The people that are already there with you, you are sacking them. Then you are telling Biafra to come and join. Are you not telling yourself the lie? Are you not lying to yourself? Are you not lying to yourself? I'm asking this question. Are you not hypocrites? Why would the Simons come to that meeting? And moreover, why would he not say, okay, why did they call the meeting after the thing? So he asked somebody to screenshot the meeting. He asked somebody in the meeting to screenshot. The person said no, he was not going to screenshot it. The person refused to screenshot. The person did not screenshot. Open at the person screenshot to all of us. It's all of us that attended that meeting because it's not only me. We are how many? He could have called all of us our name out there to suspend. Because we went for a meeting to see how to rectify this issue regarding ESN not getting feeding money and not getting money for granite and not getting any money to defend our land. We went there to rectify, see how we are going to put this thing together so that this thing will stop. That is all I did wrong. This is all I did. I didn't do anything wrong. Up with that mom again. For what? What is wrong with these people? What is wrong? What is going on? Azuka keep telling lies. Now to us. How can you be telling lies? He's threatening people's life. Mary go he threatening his life. He threatening his. Why are you threatening our life for? What is going on here? What have you become? And you say you're fighting for freedom. Hey, this Biafra you guys are fighting. I am telling you today, this Biafra is not coming. Simon is not going to give us this Biafra. Whether you guys send it to him, if he said it, Simon will not give us this Biafra. I am saying it and I'm standing and I'm saying it because he has hurt all people. He has hurt people that are supposed not to hurt. I fought for Simon. I am the one that stood. I fought. Regarding everybody that's attacking him where he started, I fought everything to today he's paying me with this, and you are telling me that he's manipulated. Nobody is manipulating. It is because in Europe there's nothing like juju. He has his mind. He knows what he's doing, and he's doing it, and he has to pay the person. This Biafra Simon is fighting for. This Biafra Simon is not be the one to give us it. God forbid. Let's watch and see how it's going to play.
Yeah, welcome back, my people, as you have watched this video. The what we are going to talk today about this video is this. The reason why I bring this video up is to show you guys that, you know, in this life, I know some of you will criticize this channel for bringing up this video, but let me tell you one thing. Remember that once you do that, I'll take you off from this channel. But let me say this one thing. Nigeria today, why Nigeria is not working today is that the people don't have access to ask the leaders question. They will do anything and they will get away with it. That is why the Nigeria is not working. But in Europe, where most of all these people who are talking for Biafra live, if one prime minister done anything wrong, you will see everybody with flyer tomorrow start protesting in the street. Before 1 week, if that prime minister did not resign or he correct the mistake and attend an apology to public. But in Africa, in Nigeria, somebody will do anything, steal money, save it in Europe, get away with it, even come back again, contest for election and win and keep being there. So let this Biafra struggle don't be like that. If you like, criticize me, but check my word is truth. I know we love Nnamdi Kanu, we love Simon Ekpa, but do not be carried away by the love you have for your leaders. Because if you are carried away for the love you have for your leaders, you will make a mistake. End of the day, you will end up not having any leader. So I am not in Autopilot, I am not in US, but I'm a Biafra. So if you people in Autopilot need to call your leader, which is Simon Ekpa, and make sure that this thing is settled the way it's supposed to be, so that whatever cheating this woman feel, or any other person will feel, or any other person will feel, or whatever that will come is being solved amicably. This is only advice I'm going to give you people. If you like talk anything you want to talk. I didn't bring this video up to criticize Simon Ekpa, or I didn't bring this video up in other way to talk bad against Simon Ekpa. No, but I'm just bringing up to let Biafrans always remember not to be carried away by who you love in forefront of anything you are doing. Even any commander today that does something that's not, bring that commander, let everybody come outside and say, this you are doing is not good. This is how we are going to build a great nation. This is how we are going to build a nation that we will love, that the people will have right to talk. But if we start to be shut up, anything you do, they cramp you, they shut you up. Anything you do, they shut you up. If we still get the Biafra, you will be shut up. You will not have a right to say something or to say a word. This is the only thing that I have to say. Share this video. If you like one, write nonsense about this channel, I don't fucking care. Take it up.